Excuse me, is this the security check line?
Yes, it is. Please stand here.
Thank you. This is my first international flight.
Really? Don't worry. I'll help you.
Thanks. I'm a little nervous.
That's completely normal. May I see your boarding pass and passport?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Everything looks fine.
What should I do now?
Please place your backpack on the conveyor belt.
Okay, should I remove my laptop?
Yes, please take out your laptop and put it in the tray.
All right. What about my phone and wallet?
Put them in the tray too.
Got it. Do I need to remove my shoes?
Today, no. But please remove your belt and jacket.
Oh, okay. I almost forgot my belt.
Haha, many passengers forget it.
Is this line always so busy?
Mostly during the evening flights.
I see. Everyone looks in a hurry.
Ports are always full of energy.
True. I'm excited but also scared.
Where are you traveling today?
I'm going to Dubai for a vacation.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
Yes, I've dreamed about this trip for years.
Then today is a special day for you.
Definitely. I can't believe it's finally happening.
All right, please walk through the scanner slowly.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Please raise your arms slightly.
Okay. Did I do it correctly?
Yes, you did great.
Oh no. Why did the machine beep?
Don't worry. Maybe something metal is still in your pocket.
Ah, I still have some coins.
That explains it. Please place them in the tray.
Sorry about that.
No problem at all.
All right, should I walk through again?
Yes, please try one more time.
Okay, done.
Perfect. Now it's clear.
Great. That scared me for a second.
Haha, it happens every day.
Airports are more strict than I expected.
Security is very important for safe travel.
That makes sense.
Please collect your belongings now.
Let me check. Passport, phone, wallet, laptop.
Don't forget your jacket.
Oh yes, thanks for reminding me.
You're welcome.
By the way, where is gate 12?
Go straight, then turn left near the coffee shop.
Is it far from here?
Not really. Around 5 minutes walking distance.
Perfect. I still have some time then.
Yes, your flight boarding starts in about 40 minutes.
Nice. Maybe I'll buy some coffee first.
Good idea. Cafe near gate 12 is very popular.
Awesome. Thank you so much for helping me.
My pleasure.
You were really kind.
Thank you. Have a wonderful journey.
I will. Have a great day too.
Safe travels and enjoy Dubai.
Thanks.
Goodbye.